Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to download TinyTask. So let's start. So first you have to write TinyTask on Google browser and then appears this option that says TinyTask. Just click there and then you will transfer to the official page. So now just go to download option that appears upside here, just click there and well appears all the options that you can download, that is zip file or x file, so you can select whatever you want. And in this side you can see the version. For example, this one is the latest version, it's 1.77. so if you want to download, just click in the version that you want to download, just click there and you will be download on TinyTask without any problem. So now you can install on your computer, and that's the way to download TinyTask without any problem. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.